Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial session. If you are a beginner to Microsoft Excel, then this video is for you. Because haven't shown you the interface of Microsoft Excel, you should be able to create something like this after watching this video. So if you are super excited to learn alongside with me, let's get into it. Navigate to where Microsoft Excel is on your computer. Mine is here, and double click on it to load up. When it loads, you'll be greeted with an interface like this. So just check around and select a blank document and you have something like this. This is the Excel interface and it is divided into four parts. The first part is the top side, which is the menu bar. The second is the formula bar. The third is the spreadsheet. And the fourth is what? The status bar. Under the menu bar, you have different menus such as Home tab, Insert menu, Page layout, Formula, Data, Review, View, Help, and so on. So briefly, under the Home menu, there are different groups and different icons. Icons are divided into groups based on what they can do. Take for example, the first group is called clipboard. Here, what you have to do is just to cut, copy, format, paint your text and paste. So these are information that are closely related, and that is why they form a single group. Then the next group are information related to changing the font size, the font style, just the looks of your text, which is why it is called font. Now, this line you see by the side here is an indication that this group is different from this group. So this line is the line that divides two groups from each other. The same thing applies to the line here. This is the same line you see here, here, and this very particular one. So these are different groups. We have a font alignment group where you get to align your text to the left, to the right, and so on. Numbers, styles, cells, editing. So the same thing applies to insert. You also have different information here that will make it possible for you to insert something into your Excel spreadsheet. So if you want to insert an image, you come down here. If you want to insert a shape, you come down here. If you want to insert a pie chart, a graph, any other thing you want to do, any chart you want to insert, you come down here. So all this menu, all these icons here, they are icons that make it possible for you to bring in something into Excel. That is why it is called insert. So page layout will make you organize your page. Formula will help you choose a particular formula also. Under the function library, you get to see how formula are organized according to different professions. When you come down to financial, here you get to see different formulas you need to execute some financial estimation. Under mathematics and trigonometry also, you get to see many things, many formulas you can use to make some mathematical estimation. When you click the more functions, this very particular statistical, it will be handy for a statistician. So a statistician can use this to make many statistical estimates. Same thing applies to an engineer under engineering section. Now these are some set of formulas that has been set aside which you can use for cubic estimation. So here is under information, compatibility of variables. Here are something that are related to the web, that is the internet. Now, so these are how formulas are organized here. Then these are some information you can also use to customize and make your formula works in a particular way which is preferential to you. As time goes on, you get to know how it works. Then under data here, you can use to organize your data. Excel accepts qualitative and quantitative data. So here you can use it to organize your data. Then review, view, and help. Review is simply for one who wants to make changes to your document and want them to understand the changes that have been made. Take for example, you send your document to me and I make changes. How do you get to know where changes are made? So under review, I can click a new comment, then I'll come down to where I make changes and I'll comment on it. Then view, you get to know, you get to customize the looks of your interface. Take for example, I click on page layout, you can see the looks has changed, and I click on page break, it has also changed. customize view, you get to customize how you want the looks to be like. But let's go with normal, which is more better for me, and I believe it will be better for you. So this is what exactly what you get to do under what the view menu. Then the next section here you see is the formula bar, where you get to input your formula. Then the next one, which is the highlighted place here, you get to see this is your spreadsheet, and under it here is your status bar. So let's come down to the spreadsheet. This particular one is your column, which are named in alphabetical order: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I hope you understand. Then by the side here is your rows, which are numbered numerically. This is it, 1, 2, 3, down till the end. So let's input some data. But before that, let me tell you what a cell means. When columns come downward and row goes sideways, their intersection is called a cell, which is this. So each of this one is called a cell. This column is coming downward and this row is going rightward. When they intercept together, it's called a cell. So all these is an intersection of column and rows, which is called a cell. So let's quickly impute a particular values and create a pie chart. So take for example, I type items on my keyboard. So anytime you type a content in your cell, make sure you hit the enter key. And if there is an exception to that, I will let you know. So I will activate my cap lock on my keyboard and I will type items. Then I hit enter. Then I'll come down here and I'll type values. Then I hit enter also. So let's randomly create some items and their values and plot a pie chart. Let's take for example rice. Don't mind me, I love food. Then beans. Let's see yam. Let's see egg. Let's see potato. Good. Let's randomly create some values for them. Let's see 60. This. Let's say 988. Come down here 433. 980. And lastly 238. Now if I want to create a pie chart for this is what I'll do. But before that, let me customize the heading a little. I'll come down here, I'll select my field color. Let me go with this. Then under my font color, okay, let me go with yellow. It is more visible. I'll highlight all my text, come down to the alignment section and click on this center align. It will make my text centralized. So if I want to create my pie chart, I will select the content. After selecting the content, I'll go to insert. Remember I told you under the insert menu, that is where you get to do what? We get to insert a chart or an image or any other thing, a table or a map, a link, anything that you want to bring into your document, you are inserting it into your spreadsheet. That is what the insert menu is meant for. So I'll go to the insert, I'll come under the chart group, I'll click this particular icon for pie chart. Click on it. Let me go with 3D pie chart. And this is it. My 3D pie chart is ready. So, but I can customize, choose another template or customize the looks. You can get that done by coming down to the chart design. In case if you didn't have the chart design, click on your pie chart. You have options above here, which is chart design and format. Then click on chart design and navigate to this arrow here. Click on it and you have different chart design. Let's go with this. It is more visible. So I think I'll select this. Now, if you still click on your chart, there are three icons by the side. This plus, this looks like a paint, and this looks like a filter. So let's click on this. These are different labels you can add or remove from your chart. This is the chart title. When I check it, this chart title here you see will disappear. And when I check it back, it will come back. So if you want a title, this is how you get it. And legend also is a description of our chart. But actually, I don't want label, so let me just cancel it. Now, under chart labels, legend, under chart labels, let me navigate to this arrow. You can see each option has different looks. You understand? Data call out. But let's go to more options. And there's a ribbon that pops up. Now, this category names, I think I want this. I will check this category names and check percentage. but I will now cancel values. So all I did here was just to give each of the group their name and percentage of the value. I hope you get it. So take for example egg now. This is for egg and the percentage is 30. This is for rice and the percentage is 20. This is for beans and the percentage is what? 30 also. So this is how you just get things done. Let me change the title to, let's say, food stuff distribution. And I'll just click outside my chart, and this is it. I'm done. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you create pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's do a general recap. We introduce the interface of Excel. We show you how the menu bar is and what it looks like, what the spreadsheet is, what is column, what is row, and what is a particular cell. Then underneath your spreadsheet is called what? Your status bar. So this video is very short and precise, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe, activate the notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime we release a new video, like and share to others so they will benefit. Announcement. Now the announcement I want to give to you is this. We are coming up with a Telegram channel where beginners get to meet each other and interact. Take for example, you are learning Microsoft Excel online. The learning journey can be lonely, but when you have another co-learner, another person who is learning alongside with you, where you get to meet, interact via video calls, via text message, and so on, you get to share ideas. The learning journey will not be lonely anymore. So we are creating a Telegram channel for all our subscribers, our learners, and any other person who wants to be part of it. So drop your active Telegram number in the comment section, and you'll be informed when the Telegram group is ready. So don't forget to subscribe like I said earlier, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.